This is a Speedo board from the instrument cluster of a Mazda RX-7 FD model with the gauge Speedo actually removed. See it over here. And what I'm finding is these chips which drive the gauge are failing, and they're obsolete, so there's no replacement. So what I've got here is a motherboard replacement to fit onside the board and replace the function of the failing chip. To test this out, I've got simulated engine input from a signal generator down here, currently 0 Hertz, so the engine's off, and a scope showing the signal output, and the frequency in the corner, F question mark, is off at the moment. If we switch the engine on basically, and I go up to, let's get it to 90 Hertz, 90 Hertz on the screen there. I have a Mazda spec here which says at 90 Hertz or 91, second one down on the right hand side, it should be reading 40 miles an hour, or between 40 and 42. And lo and behold, we have 42 miles an hour, or just slightly below even. If we move the speed now of the engine simulated up to 90, move it up to 140, 130, so we're now on 130. According to the spec here, at 136 Hertz, third down on the right hand side, it should be reading 60 miles an hour. And I'm actually outputting 130 rather than 136, and sure enough, it's on 60. That's fine. Move it up to 140. You can see we're actually inside the range. That's perfect. 136 being somewhere between the two. Let's just move it up to a simulated 80 miles an hour, which should be 182. Let's go up to 180. 70, 180 on our input. Fine. And we should be reading between 80 to 84. And sure enough, we got 81, so that's absolutely fine. And the calibration is very good. If the engine's cut off as well, important thing is it goes to 0. Let's just cut the power to it. Fine, we're down to 0. Everything's looking good.